भारत माता की वंदे वंदे प्रजासत्ताक चिरायु हो प्रजासत्ताक.
Today we come together not just to celebrate the adoption of our constitution, but to defend our faith in the democratic principle that forms the foundation of our great nation. As we unfurl the triumph flag, let us remember the sacrifice made by our freedom fighters who selflessly give their lives for the independence of India. Their courage and their vision paved the way for the socialist, secular and democratic republic we are proud of today. The Constitution of India, adopted on 26 January 1950, is not merely a document, it is the soul of our democracy, guiding us towards justice, liberty and equality. It is a testament to the diversity and unity of our country, ensuring every citizen right to live with dignity and freedom. As the sub-regional magistrate of Sattari, it is my privilege to share with you the progress and initiatives we have undertaken for the welfare of this beautiful and resource-rich taluka. Agriculture growth. Agriculture is the backbone of Sattari, and we are working to empower our farmers throughout government schemes, subsidies and modern farming techniques. The introduction of organic farming method is helping our farmers increasing productivity while preserving the environment. Infrastructure development. Roads, bridges and public facilities are being upgraded to ensure better connectivity and ease of living for every citizen of Sattari. The upcoming project will further boost transportation accessibility in rural areas. Education and youth empowerment. Education remains our priority, and we are ensuring that every child in Sattari has access to quality schooling. Skill development programs are being introduced for our youth to prepare them for modern career opportunities. Environment and conservation. Sattari is blessed with rich biodiversity and lush greenery. We are committed to preserving this heritage by promoting sustainable tourism and eco-friendly practices. Let us all pledge to protect our environment and make it part of our daily lives. Healthcare. The pandemic has taught us the importance of healthcare. We are strengthening our local healthcare facilities to ensure timely and quality medical care for all. New health awareness campaigns are being initiated to improve the well-being of our people. While the government is doing its part, we must remember that progress of the nation lies in the hands of its citizens. Each of us has duty to uphold the values of Constitution and contribute to betterment of our community. Let us work towards communal harmony and peace. Respect the right and dignity of others. Take responsibility for keeping our surroundings clean and green. Educate our children about the importance of patriotism and civic duties. On this Republic Day, let us also remember the unsung heroes, our teachers, farmers, soldiers, healthcare workers and laborers, whose efforts often go unnoticed but are critical for national progress.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.